Which ate some chips, drank my water, and took my ass right to bed like it was bedtime for real. Like, what the fuck? But, like I said, it's 4:15. I just woke up for real. Maybe like 5 minutes ago. I'm probably finna, head to school in a little bit. The time.
Sean, you be doing too much.
POV, when your client yawns throughout the session.
I said, what is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the torment, the torture. The pain, the torment, the torture. Is it not enough? I said, what is it? Haven't you done enough? What is it? Haven't you done enough? Come on, the pain, the torment, the torture. The pain, the torment, the torture.
How many times did she yawn?
The motor is fine, but what happened is, y'all, when we started renovations in the pool room, our pool is heated and it has to be filled up at all times. And